Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at multiplying fractions. According to Wikipedia, a fraction represents a part of a whole, or more generally, any number of equal parts. When spoken in everyday English, a fraction describes how many parts of a certain size there are. In this video, we'll be looking at how to multiply fractions and examples of multiplying fractions. How to multiply fractions. Here's an example of a multiplication question for fractions. 13 over 7 times by 8 over 20. First, you multiply the numerators together. The numerators are the top numbers of the fraction. Then you multiply the denominators together, which are the bottom numbers of the fraction. And then you always put your answer in the simplest form. Then 13 over 7 times by 8 over 20 equals 104 over 140, which simplified down is 26 over 35. Now we're going to look at a different example. Multiply 6 over 14 times by 7 over 12. In this instance, you can cancel down common factors, but there is one rule about cancelling down common factors. You can only cancel down diagonally, not across. You can only cancel down the denominator from the left side and the numerator from the right side, and vice versa. So you will cancel down 6 and 12 because 6 goes into 12 2 times, and you can also cancel down 7 and 14 because 7 goes into 14 2 times. So that will be cancelled down equal to 1/2 times by 1/2. You multiply the numerators together, then you multiply the denominators together, and your answer would be 1 over 4, which is the simplest form. Now we're going to look at the first exam question. Work out 3 over 4 times by 4 over 9. Looking at this question, you can simplify it down before it's multiplied. 4 and 4 go into each other, so they can be cancelled down to get 1, and 3 and 9 can be cancelled down because 3 goes into 9 3 times. So the fraction would become 1 over 1 times 1 over 3. And then you multiply the numerators together, and you multiply the denominators together, and in the simplest form, the answer would be 1 over 3, or 1/3. Now we're going to look at the second exam question. Work out 2 and 1/3 times by 3/5. First of all, you have to change the mixed number to an improper fraction before you start the multiplication. 2 and 1/3 is equivalent to 7 over 3. And you put the 7 over 3 into the multiplication, so it would be 7 over 3 times 3 over 5. You can cancel down the 3 and the 3 because they both go into each other to become 1. So the new multiplication is 7 over 1 times by 1 over 5. You multiply the numerators together, and you multiply the denominators together, and also for this question, you have to leave your answer in the simplest form as a mixed number. So your answer would be 1 and 2/5. Because before you change your answer to a mixed number, the answer would be 7 over 5. Then you will change it into a mixed number for this type of question. I hope you found this video useful. Please click on the subscribe and bell buttons for more content from this channel. Feel free to share with other people. Thank you for watching.